Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the important habits of successful people. Now, with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, if you're new to this channel is about making money online and how you can do this mostly with affiliate marketing and creating a passive income. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I've got content coming out every single day and you do not want to miss out on that. So with that being said, let's get started with the habits of successful people. So the very first thing is your ability to develop good work habits, determine how much you earn, how effective you are, and so many different other aspects of your life. And this can apply to anything, whether it's, making money online, sports, anything in your life. And like, if you have good habits, this will help you out so much that you can't even imagine. You see, most people are not very well organized, they are easily distracted, and this is a big problem because when you're distracted and you don't focus on where you want to go, like this will slow you down so much and possibly not work at all. So in order to be successful in anything, you have to develop the habits of successful people. You have to be focused and concentrated. In order to do that, you need to have a clear vision of where you want to go. So you really want to know what your goal is and just have it very clear of where you want to be. Because if you know where you want to go, you can focus on what you are doing right now, and you have to ask yourself that, is what I'm doing right now the most important thing that I could be doing in order to achieve my goals? And again, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter if it's making money online, whether it's making a lot of money online, a little bit more money online, or just something completely different like sports or music. But you have to focus on being good. If you want to be a rock star, you have to start by playing guitar or some sort of instrument, so you have to learn the very first song. That is how you want to think. You have to think long term and see where you want to actually go. You see, there's no point in doing something very well that doesn't even need to be done in the first place, because it doesn't need to be done. So you really want to focus on what the most important thing that you can do is, and do it as good as possible. And don't be too perfectionist either. Like if you're making videos, for instance, on YouTube, your first videos will suck, just like mine, just like anybody else's video. And I say this all the time, but I feel like I'm repeating by myself, but this is very important. If you're too perfectionist, it won't work either. You see, successful people understand that they need to go in a straight line from where they are to where they want to go, and this is just what I'm talking about. You want to make sure that everything you do is taking you in the direction that you want to do, that you want to go. If you don't do this, you'll develop bad habits. So by doing this every single day, you will develop the habits to get there, to the good habits to actually make it. And you won't even have to think about it. You will just have to do what you do every day to get you closer and closer to the goal that you have set for yourself. And the more you achieve these small goals, these small wins along the way, the more energy you will have to achieve even more. Because if you achieve goals that aren't really goals, that are not taking you in the right direction, you'll just have less and less energy just because you put in some sort of work to get somewhere that doesn't even interest you that much. So if you want to go somewhere, make sure that you're really focused on that and take all the steps to get there. With that being said, this was my video for today. If you got any value whatsoever, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.